By being a member of the Nazi Party, I'm trying to create a white revolution to establish an all-white America and a new order for the white man throughout the world.
In 1976, a group of neo-Nazis wanted to hold a public demonstration in the town of Skokie, Illinois, home to a large Jewish population.
7,000 concentration camp survivors living in the predominantly Jewish Chicago suburb of Skokie.
They can march down the streets wearing a swastika, right? In front of these people who weighed 85 pounds when the war was over.
They got their rights, you got your right.
They don't have a right to attempt to convince others to put me in a gas chamber. That they don't have a right to do.
Officials and their supporters did everything in their power to block the Nazis from demonstrating.
Nazis have no rights! Nazis have no rights!
Intense outrage escalated the case to the national spotlight, with the state legislature pushing to enact hate speech laws. A lawyer named David Goldberger, who worked for the ACLU, or the American Civil Liberties Union, took the case. He was Jewish, and his decision was incredibly unpopular.
A federal court in Chicago ruled today that attempts by the village of Skokie to stop the march are unconstitutional.
I think we got our rights secured now pretty good. I think we're on the way to giving a real voice for the white man here in America.
The judge also quoted the opinion of Justice Holmes, that the constitutional principle of free thought meant free thought not for those who agree with us, but freedom for the thought we hate.
Goldberger received death threats, and the ACLU hemorrhaged members. So, in an open letter, Goldberger explained his position, that limiting free speech could be dangerous. The authorities in power could use that precedent to squash dissent, whether it be a racist sheriff or local police department hostile to anti-war demonstrators, or the wrong kind of president.